thank you very much.
Yeah. Lots of new people chiming in as well. This is kind of, I'm actually pretty stoked, dude. The amount of people since we started keeps going up. So this is unlike most live streams.
Wow.
This is great. Let's welcome on in. We got Sunday Phillips in the house. So Sunday, welcome on in. Jesse Rushing in the house. Kay Denon is stoked on the light show right now. We've got a light show comment. The LD is on fire. The LD is also 3 other titles this evening. Michelle, thanks for all the love. And yeah, they're loving everything right now. So we just keep it up. Your fans are stoked.
All right. Well, thank you, everybody, for watching. We're stoked to be here. All right, we're going to do another original song. This one's called Steal Your Money.
Steal your mind. Yeah, well, they can steal your idea, but they can't steal your mind. Well, you can turn it over if you want to, baby, but I'm not changing mine, oh no. Oh, well, the blues has got you shaking, got you fearing for your life. your money.
Hey, they can steal your money.
They can steal your money.
Well, they can steal your money, but they got to buy your soul. Guitar, but they can't steal your voice. Yeah, well, they can steal your guitar. Oh, but they can't steal your voice. Well, they can tell you what you ought to say, but it's up to you to make that choice. But they can steal your money.
Steal your money.
Yeah, they can steal your money.
They can steal
That's all they can do. They can steal your money.
They can steal your money.
Well, they can steal your money.
They can steal your money.
Well, they can steal your money, but I said they've got to buy your soul.